up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. Girl reached over 2,000 subscribers. So now we are doing the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Yes, I know you guys been waiting on this. So let me write this stuff down, and so you guys can, you know, have a little visual going on. But if you are listening to me in the car or wherever you are doing, you can also listen to, okay? So I am having a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This will end April 1st, and I'll be picking 3 winners. So listen very, very closely, okay? These are your requirements. You have to be over 18 years old. Over 18 years old. 2, this is only for the United States. 3, you have to be subscribed to my channel and following me on TikTok and Instagram. Alrighty, so those are the things. You gotta be 18 years old, you have to be in the United States, you have to be subscribed to my channel and following me on TikTok and Instagram. Number 4, comment down below your Instagram name, because that's how I will be DMing you to get like your information or anything like that. And you know, I know that it's you, girl. That I know it's you, girl. So comment down your Instagram name. So there'll be 3 prizes. The number 1 prize winner will get a $75 gift card to my shop, Pink-UniBudgetz.com, and you will get a diamond binder, which this is one of my oopsies, but this is my diamond binder, and you could pick this color or the clusters. And this is like my prop one, meaning that this cluster, like the pearls and everything, will actually be like on the spine, and this will also be the same on the back. So it goes all the way to the back, and I got that in pink and I have that in purple. So they will get a diamond binder of your choice. I'm not spelled diamond, but we're gonna make it through. Diamond binder of choice. And they will get a P.Louise Planner that will be in your whatever you pick. Dope. Bam. This is the P.Louise Get Up and Grind Planner. I know they came out with this a minute ago, but I have been saving this for the longest, girl. It's been 2 years. We've been on this road for 2 years. So I've been saving this, and I love this planner. I actually bought this. I bought me one, and I actually bought this for the giveaway. It is undated. It has like all gold foiling, and you can put your notes and your important thoughts and your plans and your schedule and your mood. Like, I absolutely love this planner, and it's a daily planner, and that will be going into the giveaway. This is for the prize winner, okay? So they will get that. And I have some goodies coming to my shop too. But we will get there, okay? Stay tuned for my unboxing so you can see, okay? And 2 of the giveaway winners, you get a $75 gift card to my shop. And you will also get my 30 envelope challenge. And they're all like little dolls. They're super cute. Super duper duper cute. Bam bam bam. You know, you will get my 30 envelope challenge, and the 3rd one will get a $75 gift card. So everybody gets a $75 gift card to my shop, because girl, you can get your own little customized binder. What you talking about? You can get your own little binder that is customized to you and exactly how you like it. Okay, so $75. Okay, and let's see, and you will get this will be to the 3rd place winner. You will also get a cute little binder. Oh, so cute. And it will have my travel envelopes in there. Okay. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. So you could take this on your little trip, okay? And save some coins. You can allocate whatever you want. And you'll get the little binder with it too. So you will get a travel neutral envelopes with the clear binder. So that is it for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, girl. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful, and I want to give back. So that's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Okay. And it will end April 1st. I will pick 3 winners. And I mean, hey, like, this, you could do a lot, okay? A lot. I'll have some goodies on my shop that I'm waiting for this week, girls. So you can wait and you can look and see, you know, what you want and what you like, okay? So that is it for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. It ends April 1st. There'll be 3 winners, girl. And make sure you are 18 years old in the United States, subscribe to my channel, following me on TikTok and Instagram. Comment down your Instagram name. Oh, I'm gonna add one more thing. And 5, comment what is your biggest challenge in your financial journey. So what is your biggest challenge in your journey? Because we are all about transparency over here, demystifying budgeting and all that stuff. And your biggest challenge and your, girl, I don't even know what was I writing? Journey, girl, journey. I'm like, what am I writing? So yes, there you go. Subscribe to my channel, be following me on TikTok and Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram name and what is your biggest challenge in your financial journey right now. All right, you guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.